346 Charterhouse. Fuse box. Updated. Back here we have the furnace and hot water heater. Water's gone. See the insulation from the wall from the other side. There's the bedroom. And here you can see where they finished this off. And there's a half bath in here. You can see carpet that needs to come out though. And that's it for the basement.